Hello everyone. I'm going to demonstrate now a method for solving a system of equations that is called substitution. This turns out to be actually a favored method by a lot of people. As stated earlier with the elimination method, we are going to be looking at two linear equations. Together they're called a system. They will normally intersect, the lines will normally intersect in a single point, and that point is called the solution. And what we're going to use now is the substitution method. All right, so we're going to take one of the equations, either one, it doesn't matter, and you're going to solve it for one of the variables, and again, that doesn't matter. It's best to look at the equations and just decide which is the easiest of the two equations to solve for one of the variables. It turns out that you could solve either one of these easily for y, or you could solve the simple x plus y equals 2 for x. Either of those three choices will work. I decided to take the equation negative 2x plus y equals 2 and solve it for y. So I'm going to add 2x to both sides, and I get y equals 2 plus 2x. My second step then is going to go to the other equation, x plus y equals 2, and I'm going to plug that new value for y, which is an expression, notice, 2 plus 2x. I'm going to plug that in for y. So my equation now becomes x plus the quantity 2 plus 2x equals 2. And then I need to solve that little equation for x. So I'm going to gather terms there. The left side becomes 3x plus 2 equals 2. Then I'll subtract 2 from both sides. I get 3x equals 0. And finally, divide by 3, x equals 0. So that, of course, is the x coordinate of my point of intersection up here. Next, I'm going to take that 0 value for x and go to the other equation. Remember, I plugged into x plus y. Now I'm going to go back to the other equation, negative 2x plus y equals 2. I'm going to plug in the 0 for x and solve that, and I get y equals 2. So the point of intersection is 0, 2, and the simultaneous solution is x equals 0, y equals 2. And there it is. Okay, so you can use either method, elimination or substitution, to find the point of intersection of two lines to solve a system of equations.